These are sunglasses right here. Look how compact this is. You would never think that sunglasses could fit in here, and nearly 100% of sunglasses couldn't, but these can. These are amazing. They are BENEUNDER Polarized sunglasses. Come in this nice protective case, a very nice case, I might add. A little strap right back here. You can put it on your wrist if you want. And here are the sunglasses right here. Look at this. They just unfold like so. That folds out. That folds out, and it happens on both sides. So I'm going to put these on for a second just so you can see how they look. I think on top of the fact that they just fit in here and they're very compact, I think they just look cool. They're also very lightweight. They are UV 400 protection, which is amazing. And let me come up here. I'm going to show you. There's the logo on both sides right there and right over there. And I'm going to just show you sort of like the way it works right here, so you can just get a vibe on the way it works. It's pretty sweet. And then I'll just fold this up here too, so you can just see that. I just think these are sweet. I think the colors really nice. There's also the logo right, if you can see it. Let me see if I can get up there. You can see there's a logo like right there. Pretty sweet. They also just sit on your face. They're nice and smooth the way they sit on your face right there. I think these are really nice. They also come with this little cloth. So I think these are amazing, and I highly recommend them to you.